I'll show you exactly what you have to do, guys. Make sure you watch till the very end. It's a super simple process. You can use your scroll. You're gonna see here how cool this is. So what you have to do here is, let's first grab text from here or press T, and I have here some text. You are awesome. And I have this text here now, and now we see here we can now grab this text like this, and to change on scroll, what you're gonna have to do is just click on text, and when you click on text here, you're gonna see this this option here, text, and then you see size, and then you see if you hover over broad of this bold and size, you can drag from this, and you basically now change the text size very fast. Now you can also highlight like this, and using the arrows up and down you can change the size, and of course you can do it from here as well, drag left and right, and it's fast. Also you can go here to scale, and this, now you can scale your text quite fast. So I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.